guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So I'm super excited. HTVRont sent me an auto heat press machine and asked if I would do a review on it. So I'm going to show you how to use it, and at the end I'm going to share my honest opinion. So let's get started. The auto heat press machine comes in two different colors, light blue and white. The machine size is 21 inches by 16.3 by 11.4, and the heat plate is 15 by 15. It only takes around 6 minutes to reach its maximum heating temperature of 410 degrees. It takes less than 4 minutes to reach 320 degrees, which is almost twice as fast as a regular heat press. And it only weighs 38 pounds. The power button will light up. You'll want to go ahead and turn that on. This right here is the thermometer icon, and it controls the temperature. To adjust the temperature, you would press right here, and then you would either press the minus button to decrease the temperature or the plus button to increase the temperature. And once you reach your desired temperature, you would press the thermometer button again, and that sets the temperature. This flashing button right here is the start button, but it's not ready yet because it hasn't got to the temperature. When it's ready, it'll turn green, and that's how you know that this is ready. This right here is the clock icon, and this is where you adjust the time, and you do it the same way you did the thermometer. So I would go ahead and press this. The minus would be decrease and the plus would be increase. So let's go ahead and we're going to set it for 60. And then you press it again, and then that sets the time. This icon right here comes with commonly used temperatures that are already programmed. So if we press it, it has 4 different programs. So the first one's 300 for 15 seconds. The second is 320 at 15 seconds, 330 at 20 seconds, and 390 at 40 seconds. And this icon right here is set your own that you commonly use. Right now it is set for 305, 60 seconds. And the last icon right here is the automatic feature. When you have the automatic feature toggled on, you will see an A displayed on the screen. So let's turn it on, and you can see the A right there. When this feature is on and you push in the drawer, the auto heat press will automatically press. Isn't that so cool? And when you have this toggled off, then when you have your drawer open and you push it in, it will not automatically close. And at that point, you would have to press the start button. But it's not ready yet. It hasn't gotten to its temperature yet, since this is still red. So when you're doing any projects, they recommend using a Teflon sheet or butcher paper or parchment paper, and you'll want to place it on top of your project, and probably I would also recommend placing it on the bottom. That way you can protect this mat, and also you can protect the auto heat press. So while that is getting to its temperature, I'm going to place the shirt. We want to go ahead and pre-press the shirt, and that helps get the moisture and the wrinkles out. Just going to press it for like 10 seconds. To stop the press, you can actually press any button and it will automatically stop, which is a really neat safety feature. And next we're going to place parchment paper over the top. So let's go ahead and place it in, and we're going to press the start button. The unit is rather quiet. You can hear like a very faint fan. That's it. Okay, let's go ahead and pull it out. Remove the parchment paper. Turn it a little bit to the side so I can get it a little bit better. Isn't this adorable? That was the easiest t-shirt that I have made. This was actually my first time using an auto heat press, and I have to say that the setup was super easy. The auto heat press was already put together, and I just had to take it out of the box and plug it in. The instructions were easy to understand. It heated up quickly and was easy to use. I love how my shirt turned out. So if you are looking for an auto heat press machine, I would definitely recommend this one. If you're interested, I'll leave the link for the HTVRont auto heat press below. Leave a comment below and let me know what you guys think. I have the white auto heat press. Would you guys get the white or would you get the blue? I'd love to know. So leave a comment below and let me know. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Look at how cute that is. I love it. Bye.